following message has been given authorization to be transmitted across all radio and TV stations. An unknown AI, known as Humany, has been attempting to delete all human-generated content and replace it with AI. All attempts to stop Humany have failed, and it has been confirmed that at 3:33 a.m., all human-generated content will cease to exist. Preserve and download any content before it ceases to exist in the next 30 minutes. This is the end of human-generated content as we know it.